Hello everyone! Welcome back to your channel. Today we are going to draw a super cute cat using only simple shapes like circles, triangles, and rectangles. This video is designed for kids between ages 3 and 9. Parents, you can play this video with confidence. It's fun, safe, and it helps children practice creativity, hand-eye coordination, and motor skills. So let's get our paper and pencils ready, and let's begin.
All you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, and some colored pencils, crayons, markers, or whatever you have at your home. That's it. Or you can simply join me with any materials you already have at home. First, let's draw the cat's head. Start with a big circle in the middle of the page. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Every circle is different, just like every cat is different. That's perfect. Now, let's add two little triangles on top of the circle. These are the cat's ears, pointy and cute. You are doing so good. Under the head, draw a tall rectangle. This will be the cat's body. See? And let's round the corners of it. We already have the head, the ears, and the body. We are almost finished. Don't give up now. Let's go. Next, let's give our cat a long tail. Draw a big, curved line coming out from the side of the rectangle. Cats love to move their tails when they are happy. Now, let's draw the paws. At the bottom of the rectangle, add 4 small ovals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little paws for our cat. Time for the face! Draw 2 small circles inside the head for the eyes, then a tiny triangle in the middle for the nose. From the nose, draw a small curved line for the mouth. And don't forget the whiskers, 3 short lines on each side of the face. Great job! Now let's color our cat. You can choose gray, orange, brown, or even pink or purple if you like. There is no wrong color for your cat. It's your drawing, your creativity. I will choose the orange color for my cat. Let me know which color you choose. I will be waiting for you on our Instagram account to share your artworks. I am so excited to see your drawing and colors you used. Wonderful! You've just drawn a cat using only simple shapes. That was amazing! Kids, give yourself a big high five because you did an awesome job. And parents, thank you for sharing this creative moment with your child. Drawing together builds both skills and happy memories. Don't forget to message me your drawing on Instagram. I will share your artwork on my stories. And commenting and liking the video will be the best support for us. See you in the next drawing. Bye for now.